On today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Cannibal rocket and a demo of a double threat, daytime demo of the double threat. The double threat is a salute, single shot double report, little salute tube. It's pretty nice. I'll take it to the video right here. Double threat. Alright. Now we're going to take a little bit closer look at this Cannibal rockets. They're made by SSP. And I was kind of disappointed in these, actually. The report was seemed like a normal color shell going off. So I was kind of suspect. I was wondering what was going on with these being so weak compared to every other ball salute rocket that I've tried. And lo and behold, this is what I found. It is a fake ball salute. Totally empty. Nothing. You just got this. So, I don't know how much flash is in that, but the plug goes down into it a little bit. Plug's kind of broken up. Really. So, yeah. These Cannibal rockets, I mean, it's still a salute. So they're alright, being a salute, but if somebody are at the store or somebody you can get your plug, you probably want to pass these up unless you get them on a good deal. They don't compare to anything really, any of the 2-inch rockets at all, or the Devil rockets for that matter, remotely. They're not that great. They're a salute rocket though. Thanks for watching. Thought I'd throw some real feedback on these things because you can't really tell that much by the videos. They're not that great. I would definitely, they're the weakest salute rocket I've ever shot. That's for sure. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see. I'll have stash updates soon. Way more videos. Thanks for watching.